Hello everyone, we have a new topic to discuss about, that is regarding the resignation of Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor. First we will be discussing about the issue, then we will discuss about governor, the post of Lieutenant Governor and also the articles involved in the issue. Okay, if we are looking into the details of issue, Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir taken oath as the first Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir on October 31st of 2019, and after 1 year of completion, that is uh, after 1 year of bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir, this governor resigned from his post and new governor Manoj Singh has been appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir recently. Okay, so this is the issue. This is not a big issue because one Lieutenant Governor resigned, another got appointed. So we will be looking into the articles involved in this topic and also the Lieutenant Governor as well as the post of governor. Okay, so the article involved in this issue is Article 239, and it says that every union territory in India shall be administered by the President through a Lieutenant Governor appointed by him. So by using this article, a new Lieutenant Governor has been appointed by the President for the administration of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. So the article involved in this topic is 239, as it is saying the appointment of Lieutenant Governor in the Union Territory. Okay, next is the Lieutenant Governor and the Governor post. In India we have total 9 union territories after bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir, the state Jammu and Kashmir. So now we have 9 union territories including Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, and in these union territories we will be having a Lieutenant Governor, and in the states, that is we have states as well as union territories. In union territories we will have Lieutenant Governors, and in states we will be having governors. Okay, so among the 9 union territories, 3 of them have elected government also, that is Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi and Puducherry. So other states will be having governor, and all these union territories including those who are having elected government, there will be a Lieutenant Governor. Okay, and Lieutenant Governor is merely an administrator, whereas governor, that is a constitutional post, he is a constitutional head of that state. Okay, so there is a difference between these two posts, because Lieutenant Governor is just an administration of that union territories, whereas governor is the constitutional head of the that particular state. Like president is the constitutional head of India, the governor will be the constitutional head of that particular state wherever he is appointed. Okay, and in terms of power also there is a difference, because power of Lieutenant Governor is wider compared to the governor of states. Okay, and also governor of state must follow the advice of the council of ministers in the states, but in case of Lieutenant Governor, this is not necessary that he have to consult the council of ministers of that state, that union territory, in every activities. Okay, he can, there are some areas where he can decide without consulting the council of ministers of that union territory. Okay, so governor of a state must consult consult for the advice of council of ministers of that state, whereas there is no need for Lieutenant Governor in every activity to consult the council of minister of particular union territory wherever there is an elected head. Okay, elected government is there. Okay, and in case of appointment of the chief minister, in the states the appointment of chief minister will be done by the governor, but in case of union territories, even though there is a elected government is there, the appointment of the chief minister will be done by the president, because on behalf of president, Lieutenant Governor is administering that particular union territory only. So the president will be appointing the chief minister as well as the Lieutenant Governor, but in case of states, the governor will be appointing the chief minister of that particular state. Okay, so these are the points that to be noted, because this topic was there in the news. So any of these points can be asked in prelims question paper, so note these points and study well. Okay, thank you.